Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing verification and the app. Do this now so nothing blocks transactions. Once your ID and selfie are ready, open Volt and choose Verify Identity. Follow prompts to upload images and confirm details. Make sure to link a funding source using sort code and account number or connect via open banking. This speeds transfers and avoids delays. Finally, enable push notifications and set a strong 6+ digit passcode. This protects your balance and authorizes payments quickly. You next fund the account and set up spending tools. Know the how and why. Once funded, go to cards and activate or order a virtual card for instant online use or a physical card for contactless payments. Set your PIN and daily limits to control risk. To transfer, tap send or request, enter recipient, pick currency, and review FX and fees. Confirm only after checking rates. If using recurring payments, schedule them to automate bills and avoid late fees. You finish by verifying that actions completed successfully, reconcile balances, and review recent transactions to catch mistakes early. Once done, set real-time spending alerts and automatic categorization so you see patterns and control budgets. If you suspect fraud, freeze the card instantly, change the PIN, and open an in-app support chat for escalation. If a transfer fails, check daily limits and recipient details, then retry. If problems persist, contact Volt support with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.